Today we are making an Oottupura style Pulincurry. It's a beautiful combination of flavors. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moss's kitchen. This Pulincurry we are making for 4 to 5 guests. We need 30 grams of tamarind, half cup of water. Extract the pulp, set it aside. Onto a clapboard, 1.5 tablespoon of raw rice, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed, 4 pieces of dry red chilies, few curry leaves. On a low flame, dry roast all the spices. As soon as the spices are roasted, cool it down, transfer to a blender, blend it to a fine powder. Keep it aside. We need 3 pieces of cucumber cut into big dices. Add the cucumber to the clapboard. Cover with water. Slit green chilies, 3 pieces. 2 teaspoons of rock salt. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Give a quick mix. Bring to boil, simmer for 5 minutes. Add the spice powder. Combine well. Add the tamarind water, just the water. Simmer until the cucumber are cooked. While the cucumber are cooking, we can make the mix. We need 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Onto a blender, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of water, and blend it to a paste. The cucumber are cooking now. Give a quick stir, add the coconut paste. Check the salt if we need, add a little bit more salt. Combine well on a low heat. Bring to simmer. 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Give a quick mix. Bring to simmer. Turn off the flame. Let's do the tempering. For tempering, we need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed. Let it crack. 3 pieces of dry red chilies, few curry leaves, half teaspoon of chili powder. Turn the flame off. Give a quick mix. Pour the tempering over the Pulincurry. Combine well. Rest for 30 minutes for a better flavor. On top of rice, Pulincurry, and enjoy. The Pulincurry is ready. Just one thing left. Just enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moss's Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? And what about this one? Just make sure you try it.